एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू ट्रैवल विद प्राजता। अगर आप 2025 में एक परफेक्ट ट्रॉपिकल गेटअवे प्लान कर रहे हो लेकिन कंफ्यूज हो कि गोवा का पार्टी वाइब चूज करें या अंडमान की पीसफुल आइलैंड लाइफ, देन दिस वीडियो इज एग्जैक्टली फॉर यू। आई एम डूइंग अ कंप्लीट फेस ऑफ वाइब, activities, travel cost, food, accessibility, and yes, I am revealing the real estimated expense for 2025. So stick around till the end because the final verdict, well, that part I'm leaving to you. So let's begin. Let's start with Goa, the one place that never sleeps. अगर आपको बीच पर म्यूजिक चाहिए, नाइट लाइफ का फुल डोज चाहिए, शैक्स, बीच मार्केट्स, फिरंगी कैफेज और एक ऐसा क्राउड जिसमें सब लोग हॉलिडे मोड में ही रहना चाहते हैं, तो गोवा इज लिटरली योर नेचुरल हैबिटेट। यहाँ आप लेट उठोगे क्योंकि गोवा का ऑफिशियल अलार्म क्लॉक ही ये है। अरे चिल ना, ब्रंच तो शाम तक मिल जाएगा। फिर पूरे दिन बीचेस हॉप करोगे, कैफे में चिल करोगे और रात को टेक्नो पार्टी, कैरियोके या लाइव म्यूजिक। गोवा इज सोशल, फन एंड थोड़ा वाइल्ड, बेसिकली फुल ऑन लाइफ। एंड देन देयर इज अंडमान, द एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट। यहाँ आपको ऐसे क्लीन वाइट बीचेस मिलेंगे जहाँ कभी कभी सनराइज पे आप लिटरली अकेले ही होगे। If you crave silence, calm mornings, sunset without noise, and a nature-first atmosphere, then this is your kind of heaven. So, vibe-wise, Goa is energy plus people plus party, while Andaman is peace plus nature plus disconnecting. Which one do you prefer, the chaos or the calm? Keep that question in mind. In Goa, your activity list is endless. Parasailing, jet ski, banana boat, dolphin watching, party cruises, cafe hopping, heritage walks, and beach sports. It's extremely versatile and great for groups and solo travelers. But Andaman hits you with the wow factor. Water sports at Elephant Beach, scuba diving in Asia's cleanest waters, glass bottom boat rides, bioluminescence experiences, plus jungle trails along with limestone caves, and the untouched island like Little Andaman and Great Nicobar. So, गोवा देता है आपको फुल एंड इजी हॉलिडे एंड अंडमान देता है एडवेंचर प्लस वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम वाली फीलिंग। तो 2025 में आप क्या चूज करोगे, फन या फुल ऑन वाओ? गोवा इज सुपर एक्सेसिबल, टन्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स फ्रॉम ऑल मेजर सिटीज। आप लैंड करो, स्कूटर रेंट करो और बूम, हॉलिडे शुरू। कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं, बस एयरपोर्ट से ही बीच मोड ऑन। अंडमान टेक्स मोर एफर्ट. Most flights go via Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, and Hyderabad. Travel time is longer and ferries are needed between the islands. And you have to follow a schedule. So, if you want effortless travel, Goa definitely wins. And if you are okay with little planning for a big payoff, then Andaman wins. In Goa, you can stay in anything from 600 rupees hostels to 25,000 rupees luxury villas. When it comes to food, beach shacks, cafe culture, seafood, and international cuisines, everything is easily available. Accommodation in Andaman is fewer, but scenic eco resorts, boutique stays, and homestays. Food is simpler, local seafood, Indian meals, and some good cafes in Havelock, Port Blair, and Neil. So, Goa is variety and affordability, whereas Andaman has fewer options, but with unique island charm. Goa 5-day trip will cost you approx. Flights 6,000 to 12,000. Stay 1,500 to 6,000 per night. Budget to mid-range. Food 300 to 900 per meal. Activities 1,200 to 2,000 rupees. Local transport 400 to 800 rupees per day. Total budget approximately 27,000 to 52,000. Now, Andaman 5-day trip will cost you approx. Flights 12,000 to 22,000. Stay 2,000 to 9,000 rupees per night. Budget to mid-range. Food 4,000 to 900 rupees per meal. Activities snorkeling 800 to 1,500 rupees. Scuba 3,500 to 6,500. Ferries 1,200 to 2,500 per ride. Total of this trip approximately will cost you 45,000 to 90,000. And yes, Andaman is definitely more expensive. But you are paying for exclusivity and experiences, which you simply can't find in Goa. Goa wins if you want. Budget-friendly trip, social atmosphere, nightlife plus cafes, easy flights, flexible and spontaneous plans. Andaman wins if you want nature plus peace, world-class diving and snorkeling, pristine beaches, a unique island experience, a quieter, romantic or a family-oriented trip. So, here's the truth. There is no single winner. Goa and Andaman are two completely different moods, like comparing a festival to a meditation retreat. If you want energy, movement, music, and affordability, then choose Goa. If you want calm, beauty, underwater magic, and an escape from the world, then definitely choose Andaman. But I am leaving the final verdict to you. Tell me in the comments for your 2025 trip, are you Team Goa or Team Andaman, and why? If you need any help while planning your trip, leave a comment and I will try to help you in the best possible way. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with someone who's planning a beach vacation. See you in the next travel story. Bye-bye.